Hi everyone, today I've got LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and take a look at this option bar. We have to tap on the display and now let's pick home screen. As you can see here, we've got the wallpaper, so let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 4 different options from which you can choose. We've got the Wallpaper Gallery, we've got our own gallery, live wallpapers, or Google Photos, which is actually your gallery. So let me pick something from the Wallpaper Gallery, because here we've got some defaultly installed ones. And as you can see here, we've got defaultly installed options from which you can choose. We've got quite a lot of options to choose from. And if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply tap on Set Wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got the preview. So let me tap on Set Wallpaper, and as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been changed successfully. If you'd like to also change the wallpaper for the lock screen, you have to move to the lock screen, and here you've got the wallpaper. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that our newly chosen wallpaper has been immediately applied to the home page. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.